Ever wondered if Infinix could pull up a flip phone? Well, they just did, and it looks sleek and durable. Introducing the Infinix Zero Flip, priced at 1,065,000 naira. This is their bold first step into the world of foldable. But there's a big question. Can it compete with the industry giants, or is this just another foldable in the market? For the unboxing, as soon as you crack open the box of the Zero Flip, the first thing you see is the device itself looking sleek. But there's more. Right underneath, you find a cute phone case to keep this phone protected, a powerful 70-watt charger to juice up quickly, a USB-C cable, and yes, Infinix has even included headphones, a rare find these days. And finally, there's a SIM injector too. Now let's talk about the design. The Infinix Zero Flip has a premium look and feel thanks to its metal frames that give it a sturdy yet lightweight build. Weighing in about 195 grams, this weight makes it more comfortable to carry while it feels more solid in the hand. The back has a glass finish, offering a sleek and premium look that adds a modern aesthetic to this device. On the outside, you have a 3.6 cover display. The side-mounted fingerprint reader is also a convenient touch. It's easy to reach and very responsive, letting you unlock this phone with your natural thumb press. Overall, I think Infinix crafted a stylish, high-end flip phone that looks and feels great. Now let's dive into the display. This is one of the most important parts of any foldable. The Zero Flip has a big, bright 6.9-inch AMOLED screen with high resolution that makes everything look clear and sharp. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animation feel super responsive. It's bright enough at 1400 nits to use comfortably outside. Now, about the crease. Yes, you'll notice it if you look closely or run your finger over it, but it's not obvious and it doesn't get in the way of you enjoying the screen. Overall, for their first foldable, Infinix did a solid job with this display. It's vibrant, smooth, and easy on the eye. For the cover screen, the Zero Flip has a 3.6 AMOLED screen, which isn't only for notification, it also supports selected apps. It makes it a mini hub for quick access. You can handle messages, control your music, check the weather, even take selfies without opening this phone. Plus, you can launch some games like Call of Duty or PUBG directly from the cover screen. All you have to just do is go through the Google Play Store. The cover screen is customizable. You can add widgets, shortcuts for your most used apps, making it incredibly versatile. It's a handy feature that combines convenience with a fun interactive experience, giving you more control over your device with just a glance. For audio and biometrics, the Zero Flip comes with JBL tuned stereo speakers, delivering clear and immersive sound that is especially impressive for a foldable device. Whether you're streaming videos or listening to music, the audio experience is rich and satisfying. On the security side, Zero Flip offers multiple unlock options. You have a side-mounted fingerprint reader, quick and easy to reach. Also supports face unlock, pattern, passcode option, so you have flexible options when it comes to securing this device. Now, let's dive into the operating system. The Zero Flip runs on Android 14, customized with XOS 14, offering you a smooth and user-friendly experience. The combination brings variety of features designed to enhance your daily use. One of the highlights of XOS 14 is its AI capability. You have AI Eraser, which allows you to remove unwanted objects from your photos, while there's Wallpaper Creator that lets you design personalized backgrounds to match with your style. There's also Circuit to Search feature, which makes it easy to find information quickly. And the real-time voice translation is a game changer for communication, breaking down language barriers on the go. For software upgrade, Infinix promises 2 major OS upgrades, ensuring you keep your device up to date with the latest features and security enhancements for years to come. This adds value for users looking for a long-lasting smartphone experience. Now let's talk about the performance. It's a crucial area on any smartphone. The Zero Flip runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, the same chipset powering models like the Motorola Edge 40 and the Phantom V Flip. This capable processor ensures smooth multitasking, gaming, and overall user experience. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, it can handle everything from social media, in-terms app, gaming with ease. For storage, the Zero Flip offers 512 GB of storage, which is ample storage for most users. However, note that there's no memory card slot, so you will have to use your storage wisely. But then again, brands like iPhone have done this for years. On benchmark scores, the Zero Flip scores 803K, placing it comfortably in the upper mid-range category. This score shows it can handle demanding tasks smoothly, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. I know people buying this device aren't primarily looking to game, so I won't go into all the details, but one thing you should know, it can play Warzone smoothly, as well as PUBG and OG Call of Duty. Now for the camera, the Zero Flip features a versatile dual camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixel and it captures sharp, vibrant photos, especially in good lighting. Thanks to AI enhancement, portrait shot looks refined with clean edges and natural backgrounds, perfect for close-ups. 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera adds flexibility, allowing you to take wider shots without losing details. It's great for landscape, group photos, or anytime you want to fit more into a frame. In low light conditions, Zero Flip performs well too. The large sensor lets in more light, reducing noise and keeping all the details. Night mode further enhances low light photos, making it a solid choice for evening shots. For selfie, you also get 50MP front camera delivering clear and balanced results. It's very good for social media, video calling, and you will get the best out of it. When it comes to video, the Zero Flip has improved stabilization, ensuring your footage is smooth and professional. Whether you're recording in 4K or HD, these features keep your video steady and easy to watch. Now let's talk about the battery. The Zero Flip features a robust 4720 mAh battery, which makes it one of the largest battery in a flip phone. The only flip I know that has a larger battery is the MI Flip, which has 4780 mAh. With the Zero Flip capacity, you can expect impressive long life battery and at least 10 to 12 hours of on-screen time, allowing you to enjoy streaming, browsing, and gaming without constantly needing to charge. One standout feature is the fast charging capability. You can charge this device from 0 to 50% in just 17 minutes thanks to the 70 watts fast charging support. This means less time waiting for this phone to charge and more time using it. Overall, the combination of high capacity battery and efficient charging makes this phone a great choice, and you will use it all day. Now, as usual, pros and cons before I talk about my conclusion. Pro number one, sleek design. It's very stylish, light, and durable. I love everything about it. Pro number two, impressive display. LTPO AMOLED display, 120Hz. It's very vibrant, it's very bright. You would love consuming media on this phone. Pro number three, strong battery life. 4720 mAh battery. It can last you a whole day if you're a light user. A heavy user, at least 10 to 12 hours. And my final two pros, the first one is AI capabilities. I love the AI features of this phone. It's very advanced. The second one is the OS. It's user-friendly, very intuitive, very easy to use. Now for the con, I think I only have one, the crease. It's still visible. I think in 2024, at least we should have foldables without crease, but it's their first foldable, so I think they did a good job. For my conclusion overall, I think the Zero Flip is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional foldable smartphone. It has an impressive design, vibrant display, robust battery life, and capable cameras, and I think it stands out in the growing flip phone market. Yes, it's the first generation, but I think Infinix is off to a good start. While the crease is visible, it doesn't affect the overall experience of this device. Plus, brands like Samsung still have crease even in their 6th generation flip phones. If you're in the market looking for a unique and reliable device, the Zero Flip is definitely worth considering. As usual, like and share, drop a comment, tell me what you think about the Zero Flip and my review, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.